Most businesses don't care how you build a website or how long it took you to build it. The only thing they care about is getting results. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how we can use AI to start a business model today. Now, this exact business model made me over $1.6 million in the last few years. Now, the best part is we have AI to make it 10 times easier. When I started this business, I didn't have AI at all. And I'll show you how to set everything up without hiring a team and without spending thousands of dollars of startup costs to start this business. All right, so the business model is extremely simple. We're going to be selling websites to local businesses, and they're going to pay us monthly to get more sales and customers. Now, before I show you how this all works, what most people do wrong is they try to sell all these features that these business owners don't care about. Hey, I'm going to build this beautiful website with this really cool headline, and it's going to do all these techie things, right? A local business owner doesn't care about all those techie things. All they want is results. They want more customers. They want more reviews. They want to be able to make their life easier. That way they can focus on their customers. And of course, the most important thing is if you can show them how you can help them make more money, it's going to be an easy yes for them, and they'll continue to pay for years and years. All right, so this is what the business model looks like in 3 easy steps. We're going to contact local businesses, and I'm going to show you a tool that finds businesses that already need websites, and then we're going to offer them a free website. So we're going to actually build this for them absolutely free, okay? But this is going to be a way that we can help them provide value in return for providing them AI services and helping them get more leads and customers. I'll explain a little bit more as we go through this video. And then of course, in return, we can charge between $300 to $500 per month. Just a quick note on that pricing, okay? This is beginner pricing. So if you're just starting out, you can easily get $300 to $500 per month. I have students that are making $5,000, $7,000 per month because they're already really good at helping these businesses make more money. So I know it may sound crazy that you can charge people $5,000, $10,000 a month, but if you think about it, if you can help a local business make an extra $20,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month, they don't mind paying the extra $5,000, okay? But when you're first starting out, you can expect at least $300 to $500 a month. As you get better, you can absolutely charge more. All right, so let me show you a super simple way to find these local businesses that need websites. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this software. You can also go to guide.freedomlaunchaccelerator.com or the first link in the YouTube description down below. This is a free tool that I created for you. Over here, you go to the AI tools. You're gonna look for the prospector, okay? You're gonna click on this button right here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna find local businesses in our city. Now, it doesn't even have to be in your city. It could be another city. It could be another state, but you could always start in your city if you feel more comfortable. So I'm gonna do HVAC right here. And I'm gonna do something like Rio Rancho and find prospects. Now, what this is gonna do is it's gonna scan Google Maps, right? Instead of you having to go to Google Maps and have to do this manually, this tool is gonna go find these businesses that don't have websites, that don't have reviews. And then I'm going to show you a tool that's going to help these local businesses. All right, so check this out. We now have a handful of businesses that don't have a website. That's absolutely insane to me. But as you can see, all these businesses here don't have anything, and they have a phone number. Sometimes it gives you an email, but as you can see, we even have the rating, right? So for example, this business right here only has 1 rating. So a lot of these businesses, well, they need a website, but they also need ratings. They need people to rate their work. The more they get rated, the more they get listed on Google. And then from there, they can get more business. They can get more customers. And more importantly, they make more money, right? So this tool here is gonna find all these businesses that essentially need your help. All right, so this next step is one of my favorite things to do because again, it doesn't have to take you hours. This can actually take minutes to seconds if you do this correctly, okay? So check this out, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick this first one just as an example. Now this tool that I'm showing you right here, if you click on this button right here, it gives you a prompt that we can put into our website builder, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and copy this right here. So right here where it says copy prompt. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this inside a software called GoHighLevel, okay? Now GoHighLevel is awesome because it'll build the software for you from the ground up. But more importantly, it does some other really cool things that I'm gonna show you in just a bit, okay? But what I'm gonna do is click on GoHighLevel right here. So if you click on this, you actually get a 30-day free trial of this software right here. And it's an extended 30-day trial. So if you go to the regular website, you only get 14 days. But if you use this link right here, you can also find it in the description down below. You're gonna get that extended trial, okay? So what you're gonna do is start a trial. You're then gonna go to GoHighLevel and click on this button right here that says AI Studio. Now this is super cool, okay? So what you could do here, you could paste that prompt that you just got, okay? So as you can see, all the details are there. You're gonna click send. Now what this is now going to do, it's going to create this website from the ground up. Now that AI Studio will then create this website within 3 to 7 minutes, depending on the complexity, but very quickly, okay? Now, here's an example of one I already created. This is actually for one of my clients right here. And as you can see, it's the exact same prompt right here that I used from that tool that I just showed you, right? So again, we're using this tool. We're gonna use HighLevel to create it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna now reach out to these business owners and say, hey, I just created a free website. Check it out, right? So you're leading with value. You could be like, hey, I just built you the website. All your information is there. I put your Google reviews. Like, you can show them all the cool things that you created. Again, it doesn't matter how long it took to create it. It doesn't matter how you did it. They just want results, right? So we're gonna lead with this website, but then what we're gonna do is we're gonna show them the power of how we can help them get more customers, get more reviews, make it easier on them and their staff, all those things. Now, I do want to show you one other thing with GoHighLevel. If you go back, you can actually go to where it says sites and they have templates already done. Okay, so check this out. If I go to sites and then go to websites here, we can choose a template. They have thousands of templates already built out. So even if you didn't want to use that prompt that we got, we can go to where it says new website and from templates, and we can now choose a template, right? So remember, we were looking for that HVAC company right here. So we can type in HVAC, and as you can see, there are some templates already built out, and all you have to do is fill out the information that that company already has. Okay, so this is another option if you don't want to use the AI Studio, but I do like the AI Studio because with it, you can build a custom website for every single business that you create this for. Okay, so that's why I like this, but either way works. Now you can lead with a website. Now, the next part of this is we need to reach out to these business owners, right? We need to send them a message and let them know that we can help them. Now, check this out. Within this software, remember, we use the prospector, right? This helps us find the local businesses where we can build them a website. Now, there's a lot of cool things that this will do as well. So there's one called the closer, which gives you some cold emails that you can send them. Now, you can choose what type of script you want to create. It could be a cold email, cold call, SMS, any type of these, but I usually like to do even a cold email. You can generate this, and this is what we can send them, right? All you have to do is type in the niche, type in the business name, your name, the pain point, and it will give you exactly what to say to them. So as an example, I just put in my niche, the business name, what's their pain point, and then I'm gonna hit generate discovery call, okay? So this is it right here, super simple, right? Hey, I saw you have a problem. We wanna help you install AI. That way we can help you get more appointments booked, get more happy customers for Google review. Is this worth a 2-minute demo? Now, what you could add is say, hey, I also built a website for you for free as well. Go check it out, right? And then you can add their logo on, all their information, and that's a way that you can book a call with this business owner. Now, one note on the website, when you present their website, what you can do is make sure all their information is there, right? You want to make it as simple as possible, ready to go. Now, of course, if they like it, you're gonna have to go back and make some more changes. Maybe they don't like something, that's fine. Again, we just want to give them a first draft. You want to impress them, especially if they don't have a website. They're going to be absolutely blown away and say, hey, I built this for free for you, right? This is all the things that you need, and you just let them know this is the website where people can find you and automatically book appointments. You're not going to stop there, right? Again, the website is simply a way into the door. It's a lead magnet, right? So think about Costco. They give you samples for free. They give you free food. Now, in return, sometimes you go and actually buy a whole box of that sample, right? Same concept here. We're leading with that sample. Hey, look at this thing that we created for you. And then they're going to be more prone to talk to you, right? So that's the goal. But here's where it gets fun. All right. So this is where you separate yourself from every other agency that is trying to get clients. Okay. So remember, we built them a website, but this is where they actually get excited, right? So this is an AI receptionist. So what this is designed to do is I can literally call this agent right now or chat with it, and it's going to book appointments. It's going to answer questions, right? These local businesses, they're busy, right? There's these plumbers, there's these HVAC people. They're busy doing the work. They don't have time to be answering calls. So what happens is if a customer tries to talk with them, the AI agent is going to call them or talk to them and book appointments for these businesses. So in return, it's going to help them get more leads, more sales, answer questions. Because if you think about it, if you're looking for a plumber, you go on Google, someone doesn't answer, you go to the next one. They don't answer, you go to the next one, and they're missing tons and tons of customers, right? This way, now they have a website that's actually smart. It's talking to their customers. Let me show you an example of what that looks like.
Hey, you have reached Luis's Plumbing Company. How can I help you today?
Hi, I had a pipe burst inside of one of my bathrooms.
Can I get your name and the best phone number to reach you so our team can follow up as quickly as possible?
Yeah, my name is Jonathan, and my number is 505-222-2222.
Thanks, Jonathan. What's the best email address for you, just in case our team needs to send any updates?
Okay, I'll send the email, but real quick, how much would that be?
Pricing can vary depending on the extent of the damage and the specific repairs needed.
Okay, but can you give me at least an estimate for the usual job?
Sure, I get where you're coming from. For a typical pipe burst repair, the cost can range anywhere from a few $100s up to over $1,000. Is there anything else you'd like the team to know before they reach out?
I would like someone to come out as soon as humanly possible.
Thanks for confirming, Jonathan. I've noted that you need urgent help with a burst pipe in your bathroom and want someone out as soon as possible.
All right, so I hope you can see how powerful that is, right? So now, we built them the website, and now all we have to do is simply install this AI receptionist, this AI bot. Now, this bot can be designed for the website, for text messages, for a chat. It could be for Instagram, Facebook. It could be the exact same bot for all of those things. Now, to install this bot is super simple. All you do is go to where it says AI agents inside your GoHighLevel account. You're then going to go to conversation AI, okay? And this is where you can build your agents, okay? Now, one of the cool things about this is you can add a knowledge base to this, okay? So for example, if I go to where it says knowledge base, what I can do, I can add the knowledge from that company, what they do, when they're open, their address, all the things that we would need to use to train the bot. And then basically all you would do is copy a piece of code and add it on the website. Let me show you how simple this is, okay? Now to add this bot to the website that you created for them, it's super simple. You're simply gonna go to the website, you're gonna go to where it says settings, and then under settings, you're gonna go to where it says chat widget, okay? And this is the bot that we created specifically for that business. Now, if they already have an existing website, what you can do is you can also add a simple code to their existing website, right? So maybe they don't need a website, but they want the AI services that we're talking about, right? So what you can do then is simply let them know, I created this AI agent. Now let me add this to your website, and then that's where you can charge them monthly to maintain everything. Now that's the business model and how it works. But what I've done for you is I put together a program absolutely free, and you also get weekly coaching. Again, all you have to do is say, I want access down below, share this video, like this video, and I give you access to all my resources. And this is what it looks like right here. As you can see, this is my community of about 4,000 1,000 members right here. We've helped thousands and thousands of people start this type of business. And with this, you'll get access again to the entire course that walks you through every little detail step by step, all my templates, all my scripts, all the things that you need to be able to make this work. Now, more importantly, you also get weekly coaching, so you can hop on a coaching call. And if you get stuck anywhere, we can walk you through the process. And then I've also built this tool for you absolutely free. That way you can go through this process step by step. That way you can build this the correct way. Again, if you want access to all of this, just say I'm all in down below, or go to the first link in the YouTube description, or you can go to freedomlaunchaccelerator.com, fill in some simple information, and all those things, I'm going to give it to you absolutely free. I hope this video was of value. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.